My name is Baldassari. I'm from Flex. I'm the president of manufacturing and services. So our top goals are to make sure that we harness the power of our 140,000 people worldwide, and we take all their initiative and energy around sustainability and make the world a little bit better every day, and work with our supply chain partners to make sure that this actually spans across the whole value chain of the electronic industry. It's key that you have clear targets, and we've announced in 2022 our sustainability target in line with the Global Compact and the Sustainable Development Goals, that we committed to be net zero on greenhouse gas emissions by 2040. And that requires us to work within our four walls of our factories, as well with all of our supply chain partners. The real differentiator for us are our people, right? Making sure that everybody's idea every day results in an improvement in our sustainability journey. We have 140,000 people worldwide. So you can imagine the power if we harness the ideas of everybody for the improvement of our customer service, of what we do in Flex, and for the communities that we operate in. So if I have a magic wand, it's making sure that everybody has the competencies. We provide 40 hours of learning every year for our people, and the technology that they can make these decisions that drive a win-win for Flex, for our customers, and for the environment every day.